Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got a big old box from Beachly, women's box. So this is a quarterly box and it is $99 a quarter plus shipping. And you are able to add on items at a discounted rate if you choose to do so. So I added on some items. So that is why I'm assuming my box is a little bit larger than it normally is. I'm gonna dive in. You get 6 items and they are to be valued at over $250. This box here for the summer, your value could be up to $380. Why it could be up to is you are able to pick which 6 items you want out of a selection. So if you're one of those people that you just want the biggest bang for your buck and you pick the most expensive items, then you're going to be at that $380. You could be lower if you pick less priced items. So let's get started. As always, I don't remember what my 6 items are that I picked. And my hair's a little crazy because I had an appointment after work and they kind of messed my hair up. But, oh well. We're all friends here. Here we go. They're always pretty color boxes. So we have the summer Beachly catalog that goes through what items were available for you to pick. So I'm just going to set that aside. Or actually, I'm going to walk through that as we go through the items. Because it shouldn't be a surprise for me because I picked them. All right, so the summer collection. And it looks like I might have added on more. We will have to see, you guys. Give me 1 second here to look through this. Because I would be extremely surprised if, okay, so they are not giving you all of the options here. They're only showing you some of the options, but not all, it doesn't look like. So we're gonna make do. Some of this stuff I'm surprised what's in here because I don't remember picking it, but here nor there. We're just gonna get started. All right, so this first thing is by Ethnique. It's a discovery pack for balanced hair. It is 3 pH balanced shampoo and conditioner minis. Each mini can be used up to 10 times. And I believe I've gotten these before. I believe they were little hearts. So I'm just going to pull the sticker back here a little gently. Look how cute they are. Little hearts. Super cute. She has got a birthday coming. Oops, she has got a birthday coming up. It is the big 1-3. But she goes to a lot of summer camps, you guys. A lot. One is actually at a university, a little bit, about 2 hours away for a specialty camp. So she can take those with her. Next item. I picked out lip balm and a hand lotion scent. It's got a smell here, scratch and sniff. It smells really good. Look how cute that is. That is super cute. That is super cute. I think I'm going to be giving that to my niece as well. Okay, again, I'm just surprised by some of the things I'm finding in here, guys. Like, is this my box? Okay, we have the Beachy Wave tumblers. It is a set of 2 Pacific blue color glasses. Okay, so these are nice glasses. These are really nice glosses. These are very nice glosses. I'm actually going to go see if they have any more on there, because these are very nice, and I can throw out some of my other ones for these. But you know, again, like one of those things, I'm like, okay, I just don't want two glasses, and that's what's interesting. All right, let's sit those down. Next item, so I need to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So apparently I also picked out this, I'm thinking it is a beach blanket, is what I'm assuming here. Because it is very large. I don't think it's a towel. I think it is a beach blanket. It has got, it is soft material, but it's, I don't know, it's got a weird, it's soft, but tough, thick. But on the beach, it's probably going to be amazing. The only thing I'm questioning is, how is this going to dry? Because if you're on the beach, you very well could be wet at some point in time, like your bathing suit, and then you sit on this. How well is it going to dry? I'm just not sure. I'm not sure about that. Okay, the next item, I think if I recall correctly, this I also picked for my niece, but it is a reef backpack. Put this up here. She is really into scuba diving, you guys. She got scuba certified as soon as she could. Loves it. So she likes tropical beachy stuff, so I'm hoping she will like it. Last item. This surprises me that I would have picked it as well, because we won't use this, and we have similar things, multiple, and we never use them. But it is a cooler bag. Now, as I talk, the one place that I actually will use it now, and I'm talking about this, is every time that I go back to see my mother. It's about a 3-hour drive. She always sends home meals that she has cooked and put them in the serving sizes for 2 people, and she freezes them. So when I come home, she sends meals. Also, we go around to like Amish cheese shops. We went to a dairy farm or meat shops. So I always come home with something where I need to take a cooler with me.
Now I need to show you the things I added on.
Home. Now, this I think is one of the items that you sign up for, and they will send it to you in your quarterly box until you cancel. And I am hoping this is the scent that I love. So in a prior subscription box, I can only assume it was the Beach Leaves. I got a perfume oil, fragrance oil from this brand. Amazing. Like, I actually had people saying, "What are you wearing? You smell great." So I think this is the same scent. I sure hope so, because I got a little bottle of it. Let me look at the back. It doesn't say a scent, but I thought they had them. Regardless, Let me smell it. Because, I mean, you guys, it was great. And this is a cute little box here. Look how cute that is. Sip that. Let's see. It is. It smells like suntan oil, but beach sunshine. It is amazing. I love it. So I am to be getting one of those in every box moving forward, and you do get a discounted price on that. And then I got me a sweater in a summer Beachly box. So the brand is L Space. It is a Cozy Clouds sweater. Right. I did not pay near what the price tag says on this sweater, you guys. I wouldn't even have paid half for this. The price tag on it says $150. I want to say I probably spent maybe $60 on the sweater. But look up close. Look how pretty it is, you guys. Now, this looks huge. And this is a this is a medium large. You guys, look how huge it is. It's huge. It is super duper 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 soft. And it is made out of, let me look down here. I'm loving this sweater, you guys. It is 30% wool, 30% acrylic, 22% nylon, 15% alpaca. Told you it was soft. And 3% spandex. You guys, it smells so good. So this, I mean, lightweight. I can't wait. Now I'm wondering, yeah, soft. So that is my women's summer Beachly box and my add-on items. Let's score it. And now I feel like I'm going to sneeze, you guys. Nope. All right. So I will say, did I love the options this time around for the women's? I didn't love them. But I mean, there's some nice items in here, but I didn't love them. But okay, the experience. It's nothing special. I'm gonna go 6. Yeah, I'm gonna go 6. I know they give you this little catalog thing here, but I would have liked it more if they had all of the items in it. And they did give you a recipe, but I don't really do those recipes. I'm doing a 6. Quality. Reef, high quality. Those glasses, great quality. The little lotions, haven't tried them, but they look okay. Now those little soap things for the conditioner and the shampoo, the beach blanket, I mean, based on the materials used, that's what they look like. So, and the bag, the cooler bag, I wish it would be a little thicker. It is very light. Not sure how much cooling that is going to keep that. So quality, I am going to give it a 7. New, different, unique. New, different, unique. I like the glasses. They were pretty, but I don't think they were necessarily, well, I do like the glasses. The beach blanket is nothing. The cooler is nothing. The reef backpack, I like the style. I like the style. Those little like soap things, I've gotten them in another box before. Lotions. So new, different, unique. I'm gonna go with a 6, you guys. Retention and usability. Okay, the glasses, 2 glasses. It's a big pet peeve of mine because I like my stuff matching out like hodgepodge, and you know, I try to get rid of all those like little singlet things. So retention, usability, they'll be up there to use. I don't know. I'm not too thrilled about it. The beach blanket, to be honest with you, I would not use that on a beach. If I was going on a beach with a bathing suit, if you were going on a beach picnic, I think that's totally different. Transparency, that is different. The backpack, if you like backpacks, that is something you can use. The cooler, and what was I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the lotion. So retention, usability, you guys, I'm gonna go, for me, I'm gonna go with a 5. Gosh, I feel like I'm being harsh there. And I'm missing one. Value. Value. You look at the prices they put on those things. If there is not an actual price tag on it, so like the Reef, the price tag's on it. You know how much those sell for. If you don't see price tags on items, then they overinflate stuff. Now I am not specifically saying this company does, or this box, or this brand. I am saying in the subscription box world, there is, in my opinion, some inflated pricing. Just my opinion. So that blanket, $60. Come on. Now someone probably is going to sell that for $60. Do I think it's worth $60? I do not. The lotion, $12, that makes sense. Those shampoo things, $12, that makes sense. $30 for those glasses, that's not a good value. And that cooler, because of the design, it probably does sell for what it says. So for value, I'm going to give it an 8, you guys. I'm gonna give it an 8. I feel like I'm being too high there, but then I think I'm being too low on other things. So we're just gonna stick with an 8. So we have got 32, you guys. 32 out of 50. That seems about right, because I wasn't overly thrilled with the summer options here. So that's it, you guys, for today. So thank you for spending some time with me. Thanks for watching the video. Would love if you stuck around and subscribed, and hope you have a good rest of your week. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye.